What do you think?
Well, they're playing a little heavy today. I'd start something light, maybe the 65s.
65s. Think a little heavier.
Remember what happened last time we went a little heavier?
It was a fluke. All right, let's do it.
All right. Just like we practice, I need strong, slow, controlled reps. Be the lion. Be the
Lion?
Or what animal do you like?
Bears.
Be the bear.
Fuck
Be the
yeah.
bear. Let's go. Good. Controlled. Let's go.
Here, hydrate.
Go.
You want to be my weight, bitch?